Ooh. Alright. Nope. We'll get behind this guy. He's apparently gonna... Oh shit. Oh, he came back. Holy shit. Oh. Alright. Yep, I'm the leader, but he's pushing me. He's pushing me. He's pushing. Alright guys, so listen, we're back in the race. This should be the last race for this stock series. Now listen, let me know down in the comments if this is really bad for you guys to watch. I wasn't even paying attention. Let me know down in the comments if this is really bad for you guys to watch, because I said if it's not worth recording it, I'm not going to record it anymore. I'm just going to find a way to record, different way to record it. But if this doesn't hurt, you know, okay with you guys, let me know. And we're just going to race. Alright, and I'll let you go in front right now, because I don't... Oh, I didn't warm my tires up, damn it, either. What the hell am I doing? Oh yeah, my tires, I need to warm them up. I need to warm them up a little bit. So yeah, let me know down in the comments if this is, how bad is this actually for you to, how bad is this for you to actually watch like this, because if it's that bad, I'm not going to record it like this anymore, you know, if it's really that bad. But for now, enjoy it. Hopefully it seems good, and we're going to just keep racing here. This track actually I really like. I'm getting at least 30 frames per second, so that's not at least too bad. These smaller tracks aren't too bad to play, it's just when you get to the bigger tracks. Alright dude, I gotta get really in front of you now. I got the fastest lap, but that's only because I can... Alright, I gotta wait for him to... I'm gonna try to hit this a little wider. There you go. I want to hit it. Alright, so it's going to be too wide. Oh, I hit a little... Clear inside. And clear on the inside. And I tried to overpass him, but it did not work. I'm going to try to hit him on the inside here. I'm going to push him. Oh, damn it. Oh, that didn't work. But we're the two fastest guys, so we're pretty much up ahead. I can catch up to him, I just gotta find a way to get around him, that's it. Alright, I gotta ride his ass. Let's get out of this guy's ass. Let's go. Come on. God damn it. Freaking. Gotta slam my brakes for this freaking guy. I don't know if he's doing it on purpose, because he knows I'm doing that. Cars. Alright, hold on. I should have really gone in front of him. I had a chance. Oh, perfect. I get behind this guy. Hopefully. No? Alright. Nope. We'll get behind this guy. He's apparently gonna... Hold my line. Ooh. Alright. I'm in third place right now. I messed up on that one. I bumped him when I should have. Okay, yeah, I know he's running. He's friggin'... I can catch up to him, this guy. Clear outside? Okay, good. I'm assuming this is the guy in second. And he seems like he's holding himself pretty well. Push up.
Inside. Clear inside.
Alright, there we go.
Still
holding my line.
Still there at the bottom. Clear inside. Okay, you're in second.
Alright, I think that guy right. No, not him. Oh, I see the guy in first. He's all the way up there. We gotta get past these slow pokes. Our best objective is really go on the outside here. Go on the outside, squeeze out between.
Still there inside.
Oh, well, he's gonna have to learn to freaking keep in his lane. We gotta catch up to the leader. I think I'm running 16s. He's running 17s right now. I think I see the leader up there. Come on. Urgh.
The leader is running 17.705.
I did not read what he just said.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is 1.3 seconds.
Okay, he's 2 cars ahead of us right now. We have 21 laps, so we can definitely catch up to him. We can catch up to these cars here. Once I get past these cars, we'll be good to go. Oh, okay, that's not gonna help. That's not gonna help our speed. That guy right there just screwed me up. Oh, I squeezed between them. I squeezed between them. I'm catching up. I'm catching up, guys. Oh.
Outside. Outside is clear.
Oh, I'm coming for you, dude. I'm coming for you. After I go around this guy right here.
Outside. Still there, hold your line.
I'm holding. They're on top. Alright, let's go. This is the leader right here, guys. We're gonna take him. I bumped into him. I made my mistake in the beginning. I'm not doing that again. Got 17 laps until we got it.
The leader just did a 17.3.
Well, guess what? I've done a 16.5, so I can be much faster than this guy here. He's not going to give up this position really easy, though. Alright, just go nice and slow. Nice, easy inputs, outputs. I'm going to try to get him on the outside. That's mine. Seems like to be the best bet, but the problem is the speed I got. For the speed that we're going, it does not work as easy as the other guys, because the other guys are a little slower. Hold on here, hold on.
Inside.
Come on.
Still there. Clear inside. Inside. Still there, hold your line.
I'm holding my line. Don't worry, dude.
Stay high to the car on the low side. Clear inside. Inside.
I'm messing his line up right now.
Hold your line. Keep high.
No, I'm not.
you are
I'm
the
going
leader.
in.
Clear.
I'm the leader now. Not gonna mess this up. Careful of that guy.
Still there. Clear high.
Okay. Alright, we just gotta hold this position now. We got in front of the leader. Now we just gotta just make sure we stay. I'd say that was a pretty good comeback. We were doing good, messed up, came all the way back up from 10 laps to go, huh? Alright, just can't mess up. Alright, slow down a little bit. I gotta keep speeding up as he's catching up to me. I'm starting to learn his brake pad a lot more too. Cause I've been hitting his brake pad a little hard.
Still there at the bottom.
Perfect. Hold my line, hold the line. Hold it.
Clear.
I just gotta get in front of all those guys. Let them slow down the second position person, and then we can kind of hold off for stuff here.
Still inside. Clear. Good car inside. You're up top, 3 wide. Right side, 2 wide. Clear inside. Car
Oh shit!
inside.
Oh, he came back. Holy shit!
Right side, 2 wide.
Oh,
Still there, hold your line. Clear.
oh, he got in front of us again.
The next car's the leader. The leader just did a 17.5.
How did he get in front of us? Hey, he got. I thought he was gone. Damn. All right. Well, guess what? Let's do what we did last time. Just gotta go on the outside, outside the wall. Let's go. We got 5 laps to make this up. Oh, well, guess what? The other guy's gonna have to learn that we're on after this guy. All right, we're in good position. Keeping high, but most of not letting him. Shit, I went low a little too early, and that's gonna mess me up with him. All right, yep, I'm the leader, but he's pushing me, he's pushing. But I'm also pushing a little faster too. I'm just trying not to mess up and spin out. That's all I'm not trying to do.
Inside, you're up top, 3 wide. Clear. You won. Awesome job.
All right, we did it, boys and girls. Holy shit! All right, let's get this car back in the pits, and holy shit! I must say that was actually pretty difficult. It wasn't difficult. I can't say it was like hard.
Okay, the race is over. Bring it on in.
All right, where the hell do I go in? I'm assuming over here. Oh, maybe it was at where our yellow cone was at. Was that right there? Nah. Okay, over there. Whew. All right, that was. All right. Oh. Dude. Let's get old uniform here. Oh, the other guy messed up. I was following the other guy. Alright, let's find our pits.
Pit boxing. 5, 3, 2, 1. Right here.
Alright. We finished first place in this whole series, even after all of our discombobulations of racing and crashing, and I think even that one, let's see, hold on, 45 points, we got 45 points. I'm not sure exactly what all this rerun last race. Oh, no, I'm gonna rerun last race. Now I'm good. All right, so actually that was pretty fun. I do actually want to rerun all this and actually get better at all these and. All right, guys. Other than that, the video's long enough. I hope you guys enjoyed the race. Like I said, let me know down in the comments if you guys enjoy watching it this way or just not even worth recording. Just let me know. Just be straight up. I don't care. Just let me know so I know what you guys like. But other than that, guys, leave a like down below, comment down below, subscribe to the channel. Do what it takes to follow dreams. Don't let anyone get in your way. I'll see you guys next one.